Welcome to Nora Crypto. Today I have a video for you of an upcoming project that I am very excited about, and it's called Truth Seekers. This is one that the crypto community has been needing for a very long time because over the past year, one thing that we've seen is many crypto projects getting rug pulled and not being held accountable for things that goes on with their project. In fact, many of these projects and the owners, the developers, they know this, and it's at the point now where they're comfortable just creating these projects, knowing they're going to rug pull the projects because there's no repercussions for it. Truth Seekers' goal is to change that. In fact, they already have partners with Chainlink, Harmony, and Polkadot. It says here they are the first community lead security DAO providing a complete DeFi security solution, conflict-free, accountability beyond. So if we scroll down through here, we can read all about this project, but what I want to do is just jump over in the white paper. They kind of condense it down, make it easier to understand how it all works and how you can earn by investing into this project. Now I'll put the link to their white paper below this video so you can go check it out too, but let's jump in here and show you what this project has to provide. It says here the Truth Seekers security and investment motto is accountability beyond and will provide comprehensive audit and KYC services for cryptocurrency projects. Truth Seekers will be governed via set bylaws, which will be strictly followed by the advisory board. Controlled by a completely doxed and trusted team, Truth Seekers will implement these services and set a new industry standard in the KYC process. And so if you've invested in any projects over the past year or two, even if many of these projects have been audited or KYC, they could still rug pull. Things could happen, they could shut down, and nothing would ever happen. And so with this new standard of auditing and this new standard of KYC, this is hopefully going to change. That it says down here under the DAO that the Truth token allows investors to own a portion of the Truth Seekers platform. The Truth token will have its own tokenomics and use cases, which allows for liquidity providing and community voting. Buyback and burn mechanisms will be set in place, which ultimately makes the Truth token deflationary. So this is not like a rebasing token or nothing like that. But what this is a real investment into a real business. And as the company grows, your investment can also grow. Now, if we jump over to the bylaws, this is their checklist for acquiring the Truth Seeker services. For one, they are 100% selective, so just because you applied does not mean you're going to get selected. They ultimately choose who they are going to work with. Payments to Truth Seekers, it says Truth Seekers will never receive payment in the native token of any project that is to be reviewed for an audit or KYC service. So this here is huge. This is where a lot of these other projects that provide auditing or KYC services failed at. It says Truth Seekers will require 50% of the core team to be KYC with Truth Seekers to receive our certification. This includes the CEO and full-stack developer. Another big one is jurisdiction. To achieve our goal of accountability beyond, Truth Seekers will not certify projects from third-world countries unless the country of origin is disclosed beforehand. This is because not every country has the resources to prosecute bad actors with a cybercrime division of law enforcement, and then reserve the right to revoke KYC. It says Truth Seekers audit and KYC certifications are living, meaning that the certification can be revoked if the project acts in violation of the Truth Seekers Conduct Manual. So the services that Truth Seeker will be providing is auditing as a service, identity as a service, liquidity locking as a service, and analyzer services. You can go through here and read how all this works. But I like under the analyzer services is it says Truth Seekers will be the first crypto project to release buy, hold, and sell ratings for other crypto projects. These analytical reports will generate a lot of revenue for Truth Seekers and will be available to Truth Seekers Premium paid members. So this will give you a much better idea of the project and where it's standing. Another feature they're going to offer, which has never been out there, at least that I know of, is something that they're going to call a seeker wallet. It says truth seekers will be creating their own wallet on top of the MetaMask infrastructure to be named Seeker Wallet. The Seeker Wallet will be downloadable and can be added to the MetaMask extension, so that there is no need for a new wallet. So basically, this is kind of like an add-on extension that can be added onto MetaMask. And what's it do? It says here, Seeker Wallet is a proprietary software that will notify the user of the risk of interacting with the wallet address. This is an added security feature that only truth seekers can provide. This is possible due to a database compiled by truth seekers that knows which wallet addresses have histories of nefarious activities. This is a service provided by truth seekers for the low cost of 1 cent per transaction. Now let's talk a little bit about you and the investor, about what you can earn, about how they're going to get money. So here it says for revenue, the primary source of revenue for truth seekers is the security services that we will provide. This revenue will be invested throughout the cryptocurrency space to provide the best returns for truth seekers and holders of the truth token. Profits from these investments will be used to buy back the truth seekers token. Now, as for investments, it says an investment example is validator nodes on chains such as AVAX, FTM, DAG, and ETH, which are typically too expensive for an average investor. Bots and day trading will also be implemented by an experienced DeFi investment manager. So let's just take for an example ETH. If you were to go out and buy an ETH validator node, I believe you have to have around 32 ETH, which is very expensive. Currently, the price of ETH, I think, is around $1,400 to $1,500. So if you multiply that by 32 ETH, you're probably looking at somewhere between $45,000, maybe $50,000. And for the typical person, they can't just go out and get an ETH validator node. But by investing in this project and the revenue that they generate, they can go out and do this, and then 80% of the profit from that goes back to burn their own token, which makes their token even more valuable and increases the price of it. So this is Truth Seekers. I'm really hoping this project turns out to be exactly what they say it's going to be, because I believe it could make a big difference in the crypto market space. And if you want to get involved with it, all those links are below this video. But that's it for this one. Have a great day.